What is a noun phrase in English grammar? We all know that in English grammar, a noun can be a person, an animal, or a thing. Please note, in the text of this video, normal text, normal commentary will appear in this color. Example sentences and the words and expressions I want to highlight will appear in this color. Peter is a noun, cat is a noun, smell is a noun, tree is a noun, anger, although a feeling, is a noun. How is anger a noun? You may like to watch my video on abstract nouns. I have already made a video on what are phrases in English grammar. A phrase is a group of words in a sentence that is meaningful in itself but does not make any sense without a context or without the remaining words of the sentence. Phrase holds a single thought but is not a complete sentence. Consider this sentence. She can solve complex mathematical problems easily. You can condense this sentence as she can solve easily. What she can solve doesn't matter. What matters is that she can solve. Therefore, it is a complete sentence. But what about she can solve complex mathematical problems easily? What type of problems? Complex mathematical problems. Although these three words form a complete thought, they are not a sentence because on their own they don't make any sense. But they definitely act as a unit. As we know that a group of words that can stand on their own but don't make any sense without additional information is a phrase. The sentence, she can solve complex mathematical problems easily, could have also been written as, she can solve mathematical problems easily, and even, she can solve problems easily. Problems are a noun in the sentence. Mathematical problems help us define what sort of problems she can solve. What type of problems? Mathematical problems. Then, not just mathematical problems, she can solve complex mathematical problems. What type of mathematical problems? Complex mathematical problems. What can she solve? She can solve complex mathematical problems. Since the entire expression represents a thing, complex mathematical problems, the entire expression is a noun. Problems is a noun. Mathematical problems adds some extra information. Complex mathematical problems add further information. Therefore, complex mathematical problems is a noun phrase. This means the complete phrase represents a noun. Consider another example. The black cat with piercing green eyes looked mysterious. You have two nouns in the sentence, cat and eyes. In their simplest forms, these nouns can be used in the sentence in the following manner. The cat with eyes looked mysterious. I know, almost every cat has eyes, so the expression cat with eyes is quite redundant, but consider it just for the sake of the example. Now we want to add some extra information to the noun cat and rewrite the sentence in the following manner. The black cat with eyes looked mysterious. When we add black before cat, it adds some more details to how the cat looks. Black is an adjective here. It adds more information to the noun cat. Whether you use cat or black cat, cat remains cat. Both are nouns, but black cat becomes a noun phrase because it has two words. Also by itself, it is a complete sentence, complete statement. It tells you what type of cat it is, black cat. But you cannot use black cat as a sentence because in itself it tells you nothing. Black cat can be anything. Since black cat is more than one word, it's a phrase. What about the other noun, eyes? The black cat with green eyes looked mysterious. Now you know that the black cat has green eyes. One noun phrase is black cat and the other noun phrase is green eyes. Green is an adjective for the noun eyes because it tells you what type of eyes the cat has. There is another adjective for the eyes in the above sentence. The black cat with piercing green eyes looked mysterious. What type of eyes does the cat have? Piercing green eyes. You can easily make out that in the sentence you can use eyes, green eyes and piercing green eyes. Ultimately it is the eyes, the noun. Adding adjectives like piercing and green don't change the fact that we are talking about the eyes. Therefore, Piercing green eyes is another noun phrase in the sentence. As the nature of phrases goes, the noun phrase piercing green eyes in itself can stand alone as a statement, but doesn't have a meaning without context. Who's piercing green eyes? If you can find an answer to who is this or what is this, you can normally find your noun phrase. In fact, you can combine the information about the cat and the information about the eyes and have a bigger noun phrase. The black cat with piercing green eyes. Which cat? The black cat with piercing green eyes. This is because if you remove black and with piercing green eyes, the cat still remains the cat, which is a noun. How to find noun phrases in given sentences? Let's see some examples. My mother baked delicious chocolate chip cookies. This sentence contains two noun phrases. My mother, delicious chocolate chip cookies. The noun phrase my mother is easy to understand. Mother is a noun. Even without my, she remains mother. But adding my tells you that it's not just anybody's mother, but my mother. It's mother with extra information that helps us define mother further. What about delicious chocolate chip cookies? We can simply use cookies. My mother baked cookies. The additional information helps us describe what type of cookies my mother baked. Cookies, chocolate chip cookies, delicious chocolate chip cookies. What type of cookies? Delicious chocolate chip cookies. When you can group multiple words in a sentence around a noun, they form a noun phrase. Another tip: no matter how many words you are using, all the words should be pointing to a single thing. Delicious chocolate chip cookies. Another example. The girl at the bus stop is trying to stop a taxi. In plain grammar terms, the sentence has four nouns: girl, bus, stop, taxi. Although stop is usually a command, sometimes the word stop is also used to indicate a place. For example, bus stop or train stop. In this sentence, bus stop can be a noun phrase because it tells you what type of stop it is. Who is trying to stop a taxi? The girl is trying to stop a taxi. Which girl? The girl at the bus stop. This is a noun phrase because it gives you a detailed description of the noun girl. In a sentence, a complete group of words that describes a noun is a noun phrase. Let's explore a bit complicated noun phrase. The tall man with a black hat standing at the end of the road seems mysterious. Who seems mysterious? The man. What type of man is he? He is a tall man. Any other detail about the man? He is wearing a black hat. Anything else? He is standing at the end of the road. Therefore, the tall man with the black hat standing at the end of the road is a noun phrase that gives you everything you need to know about the man. What are the steps to find a noun phrase in a sentence? Find a single word representing a noun. Find modifiers that give you additional details about the noun. Group them together and you have got yourself a noun phrase. The book that is lying under the table is mine. Book is the main noun. You add the determinant to indicate which particular book. The book. Exactly which book? The book lying under the table. Therefore, which book is mine? The book that is lying under the table. Find the noun and then find everything that further defines that noun. The whole thing is the noun phrase. Have you understood what is a noun phrase? After watching this video, will you be able to identify noun phrases in given sentences? Have you got further doubts? If yes, please share them in the comments section. Like the video? Then please subscribe to my channel or press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.